If you want to rack up Microsoft reward points fast, here's the easiest way to do it. The biggest chunk still comes from Bing searches, so make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and using Bing on both desktop and mobile. That's double the points every day. Next, check your daily sets on the rewards dashboard. Those quick quizzes, balls, and streak bonuses can add up fast if you do them consistently. If you're on Xbox, open the rewards app and complete the Game Pass quests or weekly challenges. Those can give hundreds of points at once. And don't skip the Microsoft Edge bonus. Simply browsing with Edge earns you passive points over time. For an extra boost, use the rewards extension on your browser to get reminders and quick access to offers. Stay consistent, hit your streaks, and you'll be stacking gift cards or Xbox credits before you know it. No hacks, just smart grinding. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.